Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. This is a step-by-step guide of how to diamond paint for those who are new to this amazing and relaxing craft. But before we start, I would like to introduce you to a few definitions to the lexicon or terms widely used in diamond painting community. Let's start with a diamond painting type. The full one, where the whole image is covered with the drills. Do you see the symbols all over the canvas? By the way, the canvas is sticky. There is an adhesive under the plastic cover. If you open it, you see, it sticks. So the whole area that you see now is diamond painted, and it is called a full drill diamond painting. Another type is partial. The background on this diamond painting is not covered with drills. So the partial diamond painting is the image where only some parts are covered with the diamonds and the rest is not diamond painted. For instance, if we open the partial one, this area is not sticky, but this one is, where the symbols are printed. And this is the example of a completed partial diamond painting kit where the background is not diamond painted. And this is an example of a completed full diamond painting kit. Everything is covered with drills, every single inch of the design. Now let's talk about the diamonds. They are called drills in diamond painting community. There are two shapes of drills. Square ones, you see it now on your screen, and round ones. For example, this is a completed full round drill diamond painting kit. This one is diamond painted with round drills. This is another diamond painting, completed diamond painting, but square drills were used in it. It is a matter of one's preference which ones to use, but round ones are a little bit easier to work with, and I personally love both. Round drills can be crystals. You see, they as if they're made of glass, but in reality they are acrylic. They are called crystals. There are jelly drills, round drills. They are something in between crystal ones and resin ones. These ones are just made of plastic, of resin. And AB diamonds. Round ones, as you can see, they have somewhat a hologram on them. For instance, this diamond painting was finished with crystals here on the lantern and Christmas lights, with regular resin plastic drills, and with AB diamonds, the white ones and purple ones. As to the square drills, there are two types: regular resin drills and jelly or AB. Square drills, you can also see that they have some kind of holographic effect on them. For instance, this diamond painting was done with regular square drills, resin square drills, and AB square drills here on the candles, the white one. And there are also special shaped drills, like for example you can see on your screens for instance this diamond painting, this mandala, special drills. For instance, this is a completed special shaped diamond painting kit. It is diamond painted with regular resin drills, with special shaped drills. You can see it also here as a decoration, and crystals, for instance, on the angel's wings and on its head. So you can actually combine. Not necessarily the diamond painting can be only crystal or only resin. You can customize your diamond painting. For example, this diamond painting came only with regular resin drills and special shape drills, but I also added AB diamonds. I replaced regular resin drills with AB diamonds, and I added a few crystal accents on it. So usually the diamond paintings come with either resin drills or crystal drills. Sometimes there is a mixture of some, or you can customize it yourself, like I do my diamond paintings. A diamond painting kit usually comes with all the tools that you need to start the project. The canvas itself, the drills, diamonds, colors. You can do the inventory here. These are called legends, the key to the symbols and number of the bags. A standard set of tools. A stylus. You're going to use it to pick up the drills. The wax, you will have to dip the stylus into the wax to be able to pick the drills up. Usually one dip is enough to complete half of this diamond painting. The hand gripper that you can put on your stylus. A tray. Ziploc bags where you usually sort the drills in. And some companies also add the tweezers. I purchased this small kit to demonstrate you how to diamond paint. So, step 1 is to remove all the items from the package. Lay out the canvas on a clean, flat surface. This is our canvas. It is a Christmas card from Diamond Dots, a partial one, and as you can see, it is diamond painted with round drills. The canvas is composed of tiny circles or squares, depending on the drill shape that comes in your kit. Those circles or squares are either color related or labeled with symbols, like in our case. Each symbol corresponds to a diamond color. The symbols are written on the chart with the corresponding bag and drill color written below or next to it. For example, A04, number 4, corresponds here A04 to letter H, and it means that this bag 04 is going to be applied to the symbol H. Symbol H is going to be diamond painted with number 4, bag number 4 with this color, 8398. This is a 8398 is a color code. The color chart, the legend, is usually printed on the side of the canvas. But sometimes the legend comes separate, so make sure not to lose it. Like, for example, in this kit, this is a Christmas card, so there is no way to put it on the Christmas card itself, on the canvas. So there are two ways to start diamond painting and to keep diamond painting. Either you diamond paint by color. For example, you choose what color to start with. For example, this symbol H corresponded here with the legend. Bag number 4, you open it up and start diamond painting. Or you diamond paint by fragments. Like, for example, I assign a fragment for myself. I diamond paint it. Once I complete it, I assign the next fragment and start diamond painting it. I usually do it with the kits that are 25 by 35 centimeters or more. Now, with this small one, of course, I will be diamond painting by color. So, we will choose number 4. Since this is a small diamond painting with a few colors, 11 colors only, you can go ahead and start it one by one, but I would still recommend you to organize before you start the project and sort the drills out either in the containers or individual Ziploc bags. So we open the drills, we are placing them in the included tray. For easy pickup, shake it gently to distribute the diamonds and set them in the right direction. Dip the tip of the applicator into the wax to pick up the diamonds. Press the tip of the applicator tool on the round side of the diamond and pick it up. Peel back the plastic film and carefully press the diamond into its corresponding symbol. Repeat the process until you're done. If you see a damaged drill while you process, just toss it aside. Once you are done with one color, proceed to the next one. Once you are done with another color, proceed to another one. And so on until all the symbols are covered. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.